I'm often asked by investors whether we should be buying something new or should I be buying something old and then maybe renovating. So there are a couple of things which I have red flags for when it comes to the renovation side of things. First of all, everybody gets the budget wrong, and I mean everybody. So whatever you think that is going to cost you, you really want to add on around about 30 or 40%. So is that money well spent? And often you will then find I've done the renovations, but whoops, hold on a second, there's a plumbing issue or there's an electrical issue. And then when you have a look at everything that you've got to put in that, would that money be better spent by buying something that's new, that comes with all the warranties and the 7-year guarantees in terms of structural damage? Which are the ones that works out better? And in my experience, really, unless you are somebody who can do the renovations yourself, you are prepared to live in the dust and the swirl and everything that's going on around you, and that you are able to capitalize on your own labor and expertise, those kind of people do okay. But if I had a look at the investors that I've supported over the last 2 decades, have the ones who have bought to renovate done as well as those who have bought new? In one word, the answer is no, they have not.